Hi, my name is Jado Soto, and I am here to show my project for the CINF programming class Pong assignment. This is part one, and I will just be showing my prompts. Okay. I kind of messed up already, as you guys can see here. Let's just move this back here. Thank you. Um, since we're already here, let's start off with this prompt right here. Left paddle. This will be player one. This will use the W and S on the keyboard on the left side just in case anybody wanted to know. As you guys can see, I have the height, the width, and all. I have to test with that. That basically makes sure it's not too big, not too small. The ball size included too. I had to make sure it wasn't too much. Ball size equals 12. You would think 12 is kind of, large, but when I show you guys the game and how I tested it, you guys will see. Ball speed, X, ball speed Y, I picked notes right here so you guys can see and for myself because I am forgetful. Positive moves right, negative moves left, etc. Vertical speed. This would be the vertical speed because Y on the coordinate, up and down, X, left and right. But let's go to the setup if we can. There we go. On the very top, I started off with the import Pygame. That's what we need to start anything of the sort. That's what sets the code into motion. That's everything. So if you don't have that, I would say get that for this. And yeah, let's go down. The windows, I use width and height of 800 to 600. Um, you can put that as anything as you want. Exactly. I put it that way due to the fact that it wasn't too big, wasn't too small. I will be adjusting it in the later stages of the build, but as of right now, I put it as 800 to 600. You can put that as anything as you want, as long as it's seeable and doable. And what I mean by that is don't make it 2000 by 3000 if your screen can't handle it, and that goes into what I'm about to say here. FPS. If your computer cannot handle it, do not put it at 320, etc., etc. 60 is a good start. A good start. Actually, it's a good place to be at. We don't have a clock for the pi dot time dot clock. We don't have one yet. We will soon. Um, but yeah, colors. I picked white and black, classical, basic colors or shades, if you will. I picked, red. For the numbers here, it goes R. I believe R stands for red, yellow, uh, yeah, red, blue, and yellow. So sorry. I had to really think about it for a second. But yeah, put them at the max, you will get white. Not the max. Put them at these for this location, you will get white. Sorry. All those colors together make brown really bright. But let's not talk about that. Let's go down. Ball collision. I had to write myself notes just in case. We will use, as you guys can see, hold on, let me just move this out. Let me actually move this way. Make sure that, as you guys can see right here, right? So, what we will do, really, is basically what we will do. Let me actually think about this. Ball speed. Sorry, not ball speed. Right here. Let me just Yeah, right here. This will make sure that the ball doesn't stick to the paddle on the left side. It's the same thing for the right side, right here. Doesn't matter where we go. As long as we keep it from sticking, it will be fine. Now, as you guys can see right here, we clamp the paddles to the screen. We need that to happen so the paddles don't go all the way up, all the way down, and we won't know where it's at. So we keep it right there. And basically, how I tested my game was I ran the code, and here we go. As you guys can see, W and S for the left side, player one. Doesn't stick, the ball does not stick. Up and down arrows on the right side for player two. And there you go. As you guys can see, it works and all. But as you guys can see, if we miss one, the ball will infinitely start over in the middle and we'll go somewhere random. As you guys can see, well, that wasn't really random, but you guys get the point, you get the gist. This is only part one, but later throughout the year, for part two and part three, or the final part of the project, we will have way more mechanics to actually show off and explain. But as of right now, that's it. Please leave a like and yeah, let me know any suggestions on what to do.